Hi guys, welcome to AB Crypto Talk. On this particular video, I will be sharing with you 5 things you should know before you get started on your crypto journey. So before we go on, please kindly like and share this particular video. My number one point here is your trading platform, which is also known as an exchange. Okay, so this crypto exchange, they enables you to buy and sell cryptocurrency. Okay, that is a crypto exchange is a platform that you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. Okay, so it's also the platform that you can trade from one crypto to another, like from one coin to another, just like you are buying, you are trading from Bitcoin to Ethereum, or you are trading from Ethereum to USDT. Okay, so also this crypto exchange, enables you to buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency using your local currency, like your Naira and your US dollars. Okay, so the major important rule of an exchange is that it gives you the current price of a particular coin at that particular time. Okay, so if it's 1 a.m, it's gonna give you, and if it's you are checking the price of Bitcoin at 1 a.m, it's going to give you the price of Bitcoin at that particular 1 a.m. If you are checking the price of Bitcoin at 2 minutes past 1, it's going to give you the price of Bitcoin at 2 minutes past 1. That is why whenever you open an exchange, the price tends to fluctuate. Okay, so it's just normal. So example of these exchanges, we have Binance, we have FTX, we have MEXC, so many of them, but you have to know the one that you are going to use or you will be using as you get started on your job. My second point is your trading device and internet. Okay, so now what are these devices? What do I mean by trading device? They are the simple tool that you can access the exchange with. Okay, so they are the simple tools that you will be using to access the exchange. Okay, they are the simple tools that you can buy and sell crypto on the exchange. Okay, so in a nutshell, what I'm talking about your computer system or your smartphone. Okay, so but please, they have to be connected with the working internet. That is why I said your trading device and the internet connection. Okay, so there's this unending question, like, which is better? Can I trade with my phone, with just my smartphone, or can I use both my smartphone and my computer system, or which of them should I be using? Okay, the thing is this: you can trade and make money using just your smartphone. Yes, it's very possible. You can buy crypto just using your smartphone devices, which is normal, which is even common. But if you want to acquire this trading skill, okay, trading is a skill. If you want to acquire this skill, you need to make use of your computer system. Why? Because when you have the intention to learn something, you need to make use of the right device, and the computer system is the right device because it gives you access to other trading tools like the indicators. You can carry out price action activities easily using your computer system. So I put it to you, I suggest, if you have the intention of learning this skill, you should be using a computer system. My third point is capital. Yes, capital. But let me tell you something. Just like every other business, capital is very, very essential in crypto trading, because cryptocurrency or crypto trading is also a business. So you have to treat it as one. Okay, so how much am I talking about? The thing is, there is no fixed capital in crypto trading. Okay, especially when you are getting started, you can be using up to $1,000, up to as low as $100, $1,000, $50. It all depends on you. Capital here as a beginner is money that you can spare. It's money that when you lose it to the market, you will not feel it. Or when you lose it to the market, it will not be the end of your life. It will not be the end of your existence. That is what we mean by the capital. Okay, so when starting, always use capital that you can afford to let go. That doesn't mean anything to you. You don't want to be using borrowed money as a beginner. You don't want to be using emergency funds or family funds or your kids' school fees as a beginner. It is not done. Okay, I suggest that money that you are not going to be using for the next 3 to 6 months should not be into cryptocurrency. Yes, well, no matter what work for you, you can use it, but that is my own suggestion. Okay, so it's just a suggestion. So it's up to you what you are going to use. Okay, so as time goes on, when you start acquiring this experience and accumulating more knowledge, you can add up your capital. It's always there for you to add up your capital. So you can always add up your capital. Please do not forget the golden rule, which is do not trade or do not risk more than you can afford to lose. It's very, very, very important. Okay. Point number 4, I'm going to talk about time. Time, it's a little bit confusing or tricky, but it's very, very important. I see most people do not talk about this timing because they felt or they are feeling it's not necessary, but I have to put it to you that time is very important. Okay, so let's take this first scenario. To become a profitable trader, you need to know how to take the right action at the right time, which is timing. Okay, yes, you might have a setup, you might have this, but you just need to place the trade. You need to place the action so that you don't FOMO. Okay, that is timing. You need to know when to take the right action. That is also timing. It's really important in this game of trading. Okay, so in second case, let's look at your ability to wait, which is also patience. Okay, because people get to confuse patience and waiting. Okay, patience is your ability to wait without complaining. Like, you've done your analysis, you have seen the market, and you are like, okay, this is what you think is going to happen, or this is what the market should do in regards to your own view. All you just need to do is patience, wait, timing. Okay, you don't have to do anything, you just have to wait. Okay, the act of doing nothing is also important in this game. You just have to wait. That is patience. Okay, that is timing for the market to do its thing. Okay, yeah, you might be right, you might be wrong, it doesn't matter. If you are wrong, you are learning. Okay, if you are right, you are learning also. Okay, so that is timing. And the third case scenario here about timing is whatever you do in life, you have to give it time for it to build. Yes, that is why I said timing, because you have to put in the work and you have to wait. You have to gain experience. That experience is timing, because experience comes with timing. You can't gain experience in just 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. You have to wait like a year, 2 years, 3 years. That is experience, and that has to do with timing. Okay, so timing is very important. You need to know how to manage your time and how to use the time wisely. Okay, it's not for you to wait for 3 years to say that I've gotten experience. No, while you are waiting for that 3 years to come, you have to be accumulating as much knowledge as possible. You have to be practicing as possible. You have to be studying as possible. That gives you the experience and the knowledge that comes with the timing. The last on my list here is one thing that people are complaining about or are talking about. It's the coaching or mentorship. Yes, you need a coach. I'm telling you, you need a coach, you need a mentor, you need a tutor, you need someone that has the experience, someone that has been there, someone that has the knowledge and the experience in this game, because trading crypto is a skill. It's not that easy as you think, or they might have put it to you that it is. It is not. I will repeat again, it is not that easy. Okay, but it is possible and it is simple. Okay, so now you may want to ask, can't I learn this thing online? Yes, you can learn it online. You can learn it from YouTube and every other place. And the truth is, even if you have a mentor, the mentor is not going to do your work for you. No, it's only there to guide you, to tell you, because this is what it's working for him, that he has gotten. Then you can use it to guide yourself to know what will work for you. That is one thing about mentorship. Okay, so you can either pay your mentor, or you are getting it freely. It doesn't matter. What matters is between you and your mentor, what it tells you to do, or the agreement both of you have had before the thing. Okay, so uh, if you want to pay. It's a skill. You must pay. You should pay to learn it, to acquire it, because something that you want to change your life and you don't want to pay for it. It's somehow, yes, you can learn on the internet, but I'll put it to you: 19% of persons that are learning from the internet tends to give up in no distance time, because it is not an easy task. It is not an easy task. Okay, so that will be all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please, if this video was helpful to you, do not forget to like, do not forget to share, and you can also tag your friends. It can as well be helpful to them.